So we're cherry picking bad switches, good switches. But we did no build today, by the way. My previous question is Taobao cheaper than AliExpress? Yes, by 30 to 40%. So everything you see on AliExpress is literally the same shit on Taobao, but just marked up because you're an idiot that can't read Chinese. Would you lube them? Oh yeah, these are definitely going to be lubed once I put them into a build. I am an idiot for not knowing Chinese. Me too, dude. Which is why I want to learn. But the beauty is you can use super buy. That's what I use. So they buy it for you and they take pictures to make sure you don't get scammed. And then they repackage it in like nice packaging for you. And they charge you like $3 for like the whole thing. Simply have Chinese girlfriend. Yeah, I miss having a Chinese girlfriend. Mostly for the food. She could fucking cook. The northern Chinese cuisine, dude. Oh, so good. You get fucking like spicy ass shit, but it's like delicious spicy. You get like beef that's like cooked in whiskey, beef that's like cooked in beer. Oh my god, that shit was fantastic. Does CMX Pink need lube or maybe film? I don't know what CMX Pink is. Do I like destroying my organs? Yeah, well, I'm drinking, so yes. Szechuan food is best food? Yes. Mapo tofu. I still don't know what? Taobao is the pinnacle of Chinese kids dying and capitalism rising. Isn't that Amazon? Cough. Oh, Silent Red. Oh, you have Silent Reds. Are they in clear housing, or are they in black housing? I mean, obviously, I would suggest you lube both of them because lubing is always nice. All right, so these are confirmed good. I will still go through these again, and these are bad, and I will go through these again. What do you recommend for silent switches? I personally really dislike silent switches. I have yet to find one that I really like. All right. Well, straight facts, but you work for him? Yeah, they literally... So, when you guys sub, for example, normally it should be a 50-50 split, but because of the US withholding tax, because a US company is legally required to hold 30% to pay taxes on, because Amazon pays so much taxes, by the way, I only get $1.50 or $1, between $1.30 to $1.50 for each sub. I'm not complaining though, like I don't give a shit. Like I don't do this for the money anyway. Yeah, it is super fucked. Like what's fucked is not the US withholding tax of 30%. What's cucked is that I know for a fact Amazon is not going to pay taxes. So it's money in their pockets. Yes, smart accounting, aka being a cuck. I have 4 subs and I made 9.74 USD. That's pretty good. What's my opinion about FFF switch? I don't know what that is. I assume it's a JWK recolor because everything is. If it is, then it's bad. If it's not, then it's probably not bad. Oh, it's a GAT recolor. Oh, okay. Is it new or old? Apparently it's different now. All right, so these are all the good Gateron Reds. And these are the bad Gateron Reds that I would get back to. He's talking about new. Okay, so it's JWK. JWK bad. JWK is bad value, okay? They're bad value. Because for the price of 1 JWK, you can buy 3 Gaterons that will sound better. And 1 out of the 3 is guaranteed to be as good as the JWK. They have the best name. Cheese. That is a really good name. I fucking love cheese. Cheese is delicious. All right, let's see what the ratio is of good switches to bad switches. All right, let's start with bad switches. It is 195 grams for the bad switches. And for the good switches, it is 300 grams. So it is 3 to 2 instead of 2 to 1 on these. So the Gateron Reds had a higher failure rate than the Gateron Clears. However, I'm still going to go through these bad switches, and I have a feeling that a lot of them will just be like spring issues, because like springs are just terrible, or stock springs are terrible. What did you eat today for breakfast? Coffee. Simon, do you eat biryani? I don't really like biryani, but yeah, sometimes. All right, so in chat, somebody had redeemed good switch followed by bad switch. So we're going to build the good switch first, okay? We are going to build a good switch, okay? We are going to use these new GAT clears that we got. We're going to grab one GAT clear. Let's get up in there. And we can even switch to the macro cam in a moment. Bam. Oh, baby, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Oh, yeah, it's not even in focus. Oh, I'm so good at focusing, guys. I'm the best at focusing. All right, we're going to start with a GAT clear. Simple, okay? The GAT clear is already super nice. So in general, I could just lube it and spring swap it, and that should be enough. We'll actually try that, okay? So I don't know why I'm still at f2.8 for my camera. I should increase my my depth of focus. All right, I'm gonna increase it now. Everybody hold tight. There we go. What kind of lube do I suggest for Cherry MX Blue? No. I suggest no lube. So this is the stock spring, which is bad. We don't like that. We're going to grab this, which is a lovely KBD mod spring. But before we do that, we're going to lube it, okay? We're going to grab this 205 grade 0. All right, let me get into multicam. Okay, there we go. Let's zoom in. Don't mind this one over here. Here, we'll just do that. There, problem solved. All right, we want these in the center of the screen. Sorry, I wasn't really prepared, but here you go. There's 2 of him. Yes, there are many of me. All right. I'm going to lube this with 205 grade 0, which I recommend only to use on black housings, by the way. So we're going to lube using my standard methodology, also known as the lazy lube, okay? Which means left rail, right rail, around the hole, touch the tip, leaf, leaf. Done. That's it. Easy. And for the spring, we're going to grab a lovely KBD mod 55 gram lubed with LSD oil. One of the best springs ever made. And we're going to just gently put it in there. Oh, baby. Simon, did you lube one of your linear switches with 204? Why? Because it's thin. It's nice. There's nothing wrong with with 203. There's nothing wrong with 203. It's a nice lube. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh, that feels fantastic. Okay. It sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good, and it feels really good. It feels a little heavy. Surprisingly heavy. All right, we're gonna add this to our Good Switch catalog, okay? Let me grab a keyboard to type on. Everybody hold tight. All right. Let us go into Detective. And go into Discord. And go into Simon Coin Redemptions. Okay. This is Good Switch 12? 11. Good Switch